everybody, hope everybody's doing great. I'm okay, by the way. Today I'm gonna be doing the the camber. I already did the front, so I'm gonna just explain what I did, how it works and all that, and what I need, because I still need some camber in the front. In the back, we'll see. On the back, after the everything is said and done, we'll see how it looks, if it's strong enough, if it works, if it doesn't. I'll let you know. But let me show you in the front what I did and what is needed to do and what else I need. So let's go there. So here's the front. I installed the camber bolts on the top one. At first I adjusted with what I thought it was the whole camber, and when I put it back, I saw the same thing. I didn't see any difference, so I measured with the camber gauge. With this thing, it moved a little bit, so I thought, just a degree maybe. So I was like, this is not gonna be too much. So put it all back, saw that it was basically the same. So my wife told me, did you watch a video on how to do that? On how it works? And I'm like, yeah, I did. So I watched a video, and then I understand it, how that whole thing works. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the camber bolt, all right, and this thing, this is a washer, this is an indicator, all right. So if you want, basically, I'm not gonna do the whole explanation. I'm just gonna tell you, if you want the whole thing to work with all the camber you can get from the camber bolt, this thing has to be facing back, all right, along with this. I don't know if you can see it. Again, if you want this to work with all the camber, all right, in the middle here, you're gonna see like an arrow, all right. That arrow has to be facing all the way back, all right. And this thing has to be facing the same way, all right, the same way as the arrow. You do that and you're gonna get like almost 2 degrees. That's basically all you get with this camber bolts. Is it enough for what I want? No. It helped a little bit, but not as much as I thought it was gonna be. So I need a little bit more camber. To be honest, I'm gonna need like 5 more degrees. So you're gonna see it later when I show you the car on the ground and the whole thing done. But I found on eBay some camber plates. The cheapest one I could find was on eBay. It's from a brand. It's called, I don't know if I pronounce it right, but it's Mookie, something like that. They were the cheapest ones, and the cheapest one and the only one. So I went with those because the Pierce Motorsports, I know they are really, really good, but I don't have the money for that, so I ordered those. So I'm hoping to get more camber out of those camber plates, so I can have the setup that I want. I installed the new shocks, the KYB. The car feels like brand new. I mean, it's awesome. it felt like a whole other car. It was a whole new car. So now let's do the back and see what happens. But first, release the emergency brake. Okay, well, that WD-40 do its work. Let me show you what I got. These are the washers, all right, that I'm gonna be using. All right, hopefully this will work and give me the camber that I need, and I don't break the car. These are the bolts. These are extended bolts, so hopefully they work. Okay, this thing was all, it was frozen. Like there was no movement at all. I had to hammer it, WD-40 the hell out of it. I mean, it was horrible. I spent like a half hour working on this thing or more. So I got it out. I didn't record it because it was too long. So, but yeah, I got it out. Here's what happened. Yesterday, I mean, this is the second day working on the car. So yesterday, I started disassembling everything. I didn't record the whole thing because I encountered some hiccups along the way. The hub, the rear hub, was frozen. It was like welded to the back, so I had to spray a lot of WD-40, wait for like a half hour. I give it a little bit of heat. I hammer it a lot. I use this to hit it with a hammer and try to separate it until it finally came out. It took me well over an hour to do that. So it was too long. It took me too long. Then I started installing the washers, and tightening everything back and trying it out. I mean, this job is what is the type of job that I don't like. I'm not a big fan of this type of things because I'm from Puerto Rico. So in Puerto Rico we have a saying. There's a word that describes this kind of job, and the word is tecateria. I mean, this is not the best way to do things. I mean, but there's a problem with this car. These cars are so freaking simple in the back. There's no adjustment. If you want to align this thing, there's no adjustment whatsoever. So the only way to do camber is this way. I don't like it, but it's the only way. But yeah, I finally finished the other side. It looks good. Like I said, it's not the perfect thing ever, but it works. Look at all the rust it has, man. This is ridiculous. It was about a half hour to get it out. The most beautiful thing ever, but it will work. All right, so I'm done, and this is the result. So yeah, this is the final result. It looks great. I like it. The camber in the front is gonna be adjusted later. I ordered the camber plates, so I'm just waiting. I just have to wait for them. So that will be it for this video. Oh, I remember, I have 3 videos coming up about sponsors, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show you the sponsors and tell you what I know about them. So that should be next. So thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.